Now I gotta ride or die.
My Audi A5 subwoofer is making something rattle in the back, so in this video I am going to try fixing it. To remove the centerpiece, we will have to remove the side ones first. I didn't use any special tools to remove it. Just stick my finger behind the cover and pull it hard. But be careful, you might break something if you will apply too much force. I wiggled it until it finally popped out. Now you have to pull it toward yourself to remove it. I've already removed the other side. These pieces are held by 3 clips. The centerpiece is held by one Torx 25 screw, so start by unscrewing it. Once that screw is removed, you'll have to remove the subwoofer cover. I tried removing the cover from behind, but then I found out that you have to remove it from the front. I don't have a special tool, so I used windshield scraper. But as you can see, this plastic is very fragile and I managed to break it in a few places. I managed to pull it up a bit with my hand, because a piece was missing. I advise you to search on how to properly remove it. After one side popped out, I used my window scraper again. And the other side broke off too. I continued trying to remove it and finally I did, but unfortunately, in 3 pieces. Once the subwoofer is exposed, you can see 4 Torx screws, so unscrew them. Now, the piece is held by 4 clips located here. To unclip them, just pull it up. Wiggle the piece out. Clean all plastic surfaces with rubbing alcohol. Now using some cloth tape, cover all plastics that can touch bare metal. I even covered the plastic where the clips are on side panels. After everything is done, I place everything back. It was easier than removing. And now it's time to listen, if I fixed the rattling. As you can see, the bass is turned all the way up. No more rattle. I am so happy. Hope this video helps you and thanks for watching. Oh, and I forgot to mention that the grill that I broke while removing, I fixed with super glue.